Can we move on? And we did talk about this, and we have discussed this, but you have not written this as a strategy, right? Okay, so I feel you should write down these two lines as well. Okay, so he's asking if this be the case, excuse me for the colors, I'm not changing it. So this is like, let us say, the signal line, and this is the MACD line. Okay, similar pattern. Just wait and watch till you get any buy or sell call. You can't enter at this stage. You have already missed the train. The train is moving at the speed of whatever X kilometers per hour. You can't catch it right now. And if you still try to speed and catch it, you know what happens. There's a great chance of a mishap here. If the histogram is showing weakness, you might think of a short sale. But again, you have to check whether it is in F&O or not. And so many stories. If you want to do an intraday, check what is happening in the 15 minutes chart. Futures and options. For shorting. So here, if you are saying that, I'll just give you one example. Let us say it is something like this, MACD line. There are chances that in next maybe 2-3 trading sessions, it might cut from above. Okay, and you are feeling that I will sit in the train before it even leaves the platform. But then the driver goes on a holiday and you sit there forever. That is also possible. So, see, that's what I'm telling you, that the moment people start getting overconfident is where the entire problem starts. Earn less, lose less. Keeps you in the market for a longer time. Okay, that is the strategy I feel everyone should try out. If you are very aggressive, baap ne kamaya bahut paisa hai. There's a problem of plenty. What to do with so much money? It's a big problem you're facing. Then go ahead, short 20 lots. What's the problem? Okay. But if you're not facing problem of plenty, be careful in such cases. Okay, right. At the end, we are also going to have one final call wherein we write down all the strategies together on one single page. Reliance, you want to check out? Okay. Daya, kuch to gadbad hai. Why? What happened? I have not checked out the stock for quite a bit now. Oh. Has it come in the newspaper? Oh. You're part of the deal or what? From Raja's side? Saudi Raja's side? Who is that? Some bin? Muhammad bin. I just remember that as Salman bin something. Muhammad bin Salman Khan. In fact, the chart shows a different picture than what you are saying. Chart shows a different picture. There's no buy right now. Okay. It is, see now MACD is already, I'll just change this color, 5 days. Now generally we take 26 ka black, na? Let's continue with the same style. You can choose whatever you want, but just whatever we are following, we are just going ahead with that. Okay, so this is like the 26 days average. We are already above the 26 days average by quite a bit. MACD, now if I check, see this is the MACD line. Okay, it has not cut anywhere right now. But it's nothing. I mean, there's no call on Reliance right now as per our strategies. It's not even coming in our radar right now. When does it come in our radar? If it's very close and it's almost cutting there, then it'll come in our radar. So right now, again, based on news, that you might see some movement. So let us say if you know something like Andar Ki Baat, I'll tell you what can happen. Insider trading. So you might see a big red candle here. And today itself, maybe this 5 DEMA can cut 13 and 26 from above. Possible. And then in that case, you might get a sell call also. But right now, without any insider news, there's nothing in this stock right now. Right now, it is not showing signs of weakness also. Just check this out, the histograms. In fact, the weakness is decreasing. So I don't think it's a sell call as per our charts right now. Okay. See, that's the problem, I'll tell you, that MACD, everyone knows what is it and this cards from. See, histograms is something which many people ignore again. And histogram actually gives you a very easy visual representation of what is happening. Weakness is decreasing. Don't sell right now. It will again be burning off your hands. Yeah. No, again no. Wait. He's saying that let us say stock corrects 2 or 3% today. 3% correction in Reliance, buy. Don't do that. Check out for our indicators. Otherwise, why are we learning all these things? Then there is only one indicator. If stock corrects by 3%, buy. If the stock corrects by 3%, it might start showing weakness. It might go in a downtrend. It might show lower lows and lower highs. It might show, you never know. If it is showing a big correction, it might go in a downtrend. And then again, our strategy of never catch a falling knife. Unless and until we see clear buy signals, we are not going to go into that. Let it correct by 2%, 3%, whatever. It should give me a sell signal or it should give me a buy signal. Then only I enter. Okay? Yes. Yeah, then you will have to do a fundamental analysis also. That what has changed fundamentally if the stock price corrected by this. So just as an example, if that Salman bin Laden, whatever, whoever he is, the Raja, Saudi's Raja, if the deal gets cancelled between Reliance and Saudi Aramco, you know what was the biggest positive impact for Reliance Industries if this deal is cracked through? Funding. A big funding is going to be received from Saudi Aramco. So basically it's like a stake sale. In simple words, if Reliance has 100 shares, they are going to sell 2-3 shares. As an example, to Saudi Aramco, which is a Saudi Arabian company. Okay. In return, what are they going to get? Money, cash. Now with this money, with this cash, they were going to pay off their debts. Who was going to pay off their debt? Reliance, their own debt. And their debt would have drastically reduced. So this was not like 2-3 shares ka deal. It's a huge deal. Give it a multiplier of X number of zeros. Okay. So their debt would have drastically gone down. If debt drastically goes down, their interest on loan goes down. If interest on loan decreases, their PAT, profit after tax, increases. That's a fundamental story. Fundamental impact. Okay. Right? Any doubt till here? No?